a house suspended in the desert, designed to frame light, silence, and the rhythms of time. The Periphery is a two-bedroom home discreetly embedded in Utah's high desert, more than 2,000 meters above sea level. On one side, the nearly 2-million-acre Grand Staircase-Escalante National Monument. On the other, nothing but slick rock, native vegetation, and sky. With large openings and operable panels, the house responds to climate through passive strategies. A 75-foot wall acts as thermal mass, regulating temperature throughout the day. But the focus isn't on technique, it's on experience. The real subject here is light. Its creator, Anson Fogel, leads Locus Studio and brought his background in engineering, lighting, and cinematography to the project. The house is the result of 4 years of handcrafted work, carried out by a small group of artisans involved in every phase, from concept to carpentry. The layout is organized around framed views and carefully directed sightlines, an intentional counterpoint to the vastness of its surroundings. From the cantilevered deck to the pond's edge, from the view of the rocks to the reflection of water on concrete, every element is designed to dissolve the boundary between inside and out. The house doesn't try to compete with the landscape. It simply reveals it. The house was designed to hover above the ground. Instead of imposing itself on the landscape, it floats on concrete piers, preserving the desert ecology and establishing a direct connection with the place. Nothing touches the land beyond what's strictly necessary. The construction respects the terrain, the climate, and the slow unfolding of time. The modest footprint was meticulously calibrated to minimize impact on the land, while allowing for generous outdoor spaces. A sheltered courtyard with a wood-fired hot tub, a natural swimming pond fed by a perennial creek. Materials are simple but exacting: concrete, steel, and oak. Every choice serves a purpose. Full-height doors, built-in furniture, and minimal frames create an environment that is quiet yet precise. The only space with a distinct finish is the steam room, clad in African mahogany, a small gesture of warmth within the open plan. Revealing the monumental and ephemeral beauty of the American West, the Periphery is a reminder that architecture can be both sanctuary and lens, a place of contemplation, made with patience and precision, for those who wish to inhabit time, not just space.